Here's how to install a Rain-X Latitude blade on a large J-hook type arm.
First, remove the pre-installed small J-hook adapter from the wiper's connector. To do this, use a pen or screwdriver to pop it free. Now, grab the universal adapter. Line up the adapter's middle cutout with the pin inside the connector. Make sure the open end of the adapter faces the double set of holes on the connector. Press it into place with a click. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper, make sure the arm is in the up position. Make sure the arm wraps around the side of the connector that has two holes. Simply slide the blade up and forward, making sure the curve of the J-hook arm wraps around the connector. Continue pressing until the arm locks into place with a click. Tug the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the plastic protective cover from the blade and gently lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. It's that simple. You're done.